Hi, my name's Constantine Haag. I'm the founder of Hammer Haag Steel, and we are creating the largest steel fabrication company in the United States. Hammer Haag Steel was founded in March of 2011 with 6 people at 15,000 square feet. Today, we stand over 100 employees, 285,000 square feet, with the most state-of-the-art advanced equipment.
In the beginning, there was 6 guys, that's including the owner. We had minimal material, 2 welding machines, and a couple workers. Now we have everything at our disposal, and if we don't have it, we can get it.
The growth part of Hammer Haag Steel has been exponential, and it's because of our quality and our caring and providing a good product at a fair price.
There's this rule out there that you can't have quality, speed, and price. We at Hammer Haag Steel break that rule every day.
We've got a knowledge base which encompasses well over 100 years cumulatively.
From the workers to the management, we all get along well, we communicate well with each other, great leadership, and the workers take pride in their work. We're all one team.
Throughout this office, there are pictures all over the walls. And in those pictures are the guys we work with, the team that we have here. And there's a large sense of pride here amongst everyone that works here in the products that we deliver and the things that we've accomplished together.
I've been a multiple certified welder for over 35 years. I've worked in the industry since I've been 18. I found a home. This is where I will be.
We here at Hammer Haag truly do understand the value of our customers. Without our customers, there is no success. Without the success of their projects, we have no success. And we fully do appreciate and value our customers here at Hammer Haag.
Safety at Hammer Haag Steel is paramount. This is an assurance of the future. You have to have a safe and working environment for your personnel because these people are our family. This is me out there, this is them out there, there's no separation, there's no differentiation. This is one team, and we take care of our team, we take care of our family, and you don't ever want to put them in harm's way.
As the Chief Operating Officer, I'm responsible for the entire process of the fabrication. And this is from the beginning when we first received the drawings and the engineering phase, all the way through the fabrication, the painting, and the shipping. And throughout the entire process, it's also my responsibility to oversee the quality control aspect of the job, which we set up in the very beginning, where we established a quality control program with the client, as well as the control points throughout the process. And it's my job to make sure that stays in, so that the quality stays there, and then as well as the safety programs that we have in place here.
Constantine supplies all the PPE protection gear we do need.
Well, everybody here at Hammer Haag Steel has a specific function that they do, sort of a hat that they wear, like an engineer wears a hat. But not only do they have that specific job function, but they're also, a lot of them are cross-trained to do other functions as well, because we actually run 3 shifts. We have a lot of hours per day that we're actually in the fabrication process. And everybody's trained on those specific functions, and it's very organized, and everybody knows what the other person's doing, so it's very interrelated. And then so basically, by maintaining those functions, we don't drop out anything that we're supposed to have in the documentation process or the control process throughout the fabrication. And by setting that up and then continually making sure that it stays in and that the actual people do their specific jobs, then we're able to control what we do. And thus we're able to provide the owner a control process for both quality control as well as safety and document control at the end when they actually want to get a complete package, because the documentation is very important to the client.
It is unsurpassed at Hammer Haag as far as quality goes, and it starts at the very beginning of the process, and it's really integral between every employee. The personal ethics and the integrity of the employees to deliver a valuable product to the customer is paramount to anything I've ever seen before.
In the beginning, we usually set up what's called an ITP, which is like an inspection test program for that specific project, which goes through and has all the different quality control points that we have to abide by throughout the process.
I've worked a lot of places over the past 40-odd years in this industry, and I have yet to see the passion for producing a very fine product anywhere else. When that product goes out the door, it has to make it through a last line of defense. And if it doesn't pass, it doesn't leave. And it doesn't leave until it passes.
You know, when I started Hammer Haag Steel, we started it because there wasn't many great fabricators from what we saw. At the previous company I used to work at, there was a lot of fabrications that we brought in-house, and you could see the quality wasn't there. And it wasn't just one supplier or two suppliers, but it was all of them. We started Hammer Haag Steel to bring all that in-house and service customers of the quality that I was expecting, to make sure that every single process that somebody's fabrication would go through was at the best service possible, the best quality possible.
When the project gets started and we get the drawings and so forth, then it goes in our engineering department, who goes through and details everything out to get it into the fabrication in the shop. And then it's receiving the materials, raw materials, or the components provided by the owner. And then it's the actual fabrication process itself, including the welding and the machining, and then it goes into the painting and the shipping. And throughout that whole process, from beginning to end, is a quality control program that we run, starting from the very beginning. We set the standards with the client as to what control processes they want, and then how we're actually able to establish that throughout the actual fabrication process.
Our machinist is well over 25 years, I believe. That's our lead machinist, and we have another machinist, 15 years. Our average fitters have been fitting for 15 to 20 years. I personally know one guy that has been doing it for almost 35 years.
My name's Jason Marmolejo, and I'm the shop foreman.
Over at Hammer Haag, we have multi-point inspections for quality control. We strive to get every project done before its due date and at the highest quality standard. And with that, there is no project that is too big or too complex.
Some of the men here are so skilled. Excellent craftsmanship. I still learn after 35 years. The quality, the assurance, the craftsmanship of the products that leave. We all take pride in it.
You know, if you don't deliver a quality product or fabrication, then you're not here to answer the phone to take the next order.
Our quality is superior to other steel fabricators all the time. We get compliments about how nice our welds look, how great our fit up is, how nice our painting is. Same with our document control.
From what I've seen of other operations, we're highly organized, we're very efficient. Our document control is excellent. In fact, we actually had an inspector that came out and said it was one of the best document control processes she has seen of all the other inspections she's done.
Well, as a fabrication company, we deal with a lot of components. So now we implemented Strumis, and it starts the job from the very beginning and traces it all the way through to the very end when we deliver it.
We have such real-time control of the project, whatever it may be. You have plate being processed on the plasma tables. You have structural members being processed on the ring of fire. You have many, many, many parts and pieces to every project that we have. Many, thousands of pieces.
Our customers want Hammer Haag to provide reports that give real-time information about where their project is at various stages. And this is something that we're able to do.
From the time materials received, you have MTRs, material test reports. You have the purchase orders when we order the material. All of this is centralized into one software, Strumis, that is giving us the control that we need to deliver the highest level quality products that we can for our customers.
One of the best things about Strumis is its ability to control documents. Strumis has allowed us to be able to manage material test reports, for instance, down to the piece mark.
Strumis is a MRP that enables us to have real-time control and understanding of our projects in process and helping us deliver the quality and the documentation and the product that our customers require per their specifications.
A company without material requirements planning, it's an MRP software, would be in kind of an interesting shape from the standpoint that traceability is extremely hard, and the standardizations usually aren't there because, you don't have a specific area to actually put these things in. Our Hammer Haag project managers have the ability to track every aspect of the project at every single stage. So for instance, if a customer needs to know where their project is or what percentage of their project is done that's being fitted or welded, our project managers are able to pull those reports and to email those directly to the customer. Because the system allows us to track each individual machine, then we actually know exactly where every part that's being processed is at every machine. Each one of our machines has a tablet that our machine operators log into, and they process material through that in real time. As this goes through the shop, this actually then goes to shot blasting, paint, mechanical assembly, and then of course out the door with a bill of lading. We have videos that we custom make for our employees. They watch videos, the videos have quizzes in them, and then they do drilling on it so that we ensure that they understand it and they can apply it.
We here at Hammer Haag truly do believe in the success of your project, the success of a relationship, and fully understand that your success is our success, and this is what leads to long-term, viable relationships for both parties.